On day 8, our ship arrived in St. Petersburg, the former capital of Russia.
We were captivated by the beautiful displays of souvenirs and local crafts. It was the perfect way to get a first taste of Russia.
From the tour bus, the first thing we noticed was this massive ship in the port. So huge, it made everything else look tiny.
So, and in fact, ladies and gentlemen, with our itinerary, so then, ladies and gentlemen, security. Actually,
As our bus rolled from the port into St. Petersburg, the city unfolded in a continuous stretch of vibrant architecture, creating a warm and welcoming introduction and guiding us closer to the grandeur of its historic center.
Our first stop was a metro station, and the scale was impressive. We rode down 2 long escalators that seemed to stretch deep underground.
We hopped on the metro to experience a train journey in Russia, taking a short but memorable ride. The station felt like an art gallery beneath the city.
The highlight began after the train ride, ascending the long escalator lined with elegant, bright cylindrical lights that created a warm and grand atmosphere, making the ride feel truly special.